Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the Facebook group too. So both these two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the government university. Here total 88 vacancies are there, and coming to the assistant professor, it is a level 10 category. So the entry pay is 57,700 rupees per month. Let us see the details regarding this notification. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. Tejpur University. So it is a central university from Assam, and the online applications are invited from eligible candidates for vacant teaching positions for various departments, and the last date for submission of online application form is 16th March 2021. Okay, and here the official website is also given here, so you may go through. So yeah, the starting date is 17th Feb 2021. Okay, and the closing date is 16th March 2021, and the last date of submission of duly signed hard copy of the online application along with the supporting documents 26th March 2021, and the application fee is 1000 rupees, and the application fee is exempted for the SC, ST and PWD candidates. Mode of the payment is online. And coming to the assistant professor, that you may check down here, it is the assistant professor level 10 category academic level. So the entry pay is 57,700 rupees per month. Okay, and apart from this one, the professor and associate professor vacancies are also there. And interested and eligible candidates submit their applications in the prescribed pro forma through our online recruitment portal. It is given. And for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you have to apply through online, and that online application with supporting documents has to be sent to the given address that is mentioned here. Okay, and application against the advertisement for the post of professor or associate or assistant professor that you have to mention, and the department also you have to mention here. And the hard copy of the application PDF and all supporting documents must be signed on every page, and the application should contain an index duly signed of all papers in a clear and systematic manner with page numbers also. So these are the details. And while coming to the departments that you may check down, so here the backlog as well as the normal vacancies are given here. So coming to the professor, these are the departments, and associate professor, these are the departments. And coming to the assistant professor, civil, computer, electronics, food, engineering, electrical, mechanical, physics, chemical, mathematical, English, Hindi, education, design, social work and commerce. So total 55 vacancies are there. Coming to the assistant professor, so you may check down the remaining details that I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video that you may check down. And coming to the assistant professor as a level 10 category that you may check down, the post graduation. Okay, the post graduation is required for engineering and technology, so no need of UGC NET and no need of the PhD also. And for design, bachelor's degree with first class and master's degree with first class. That's it. And coming to the teaching positions in the department of physics, chemistry, environmental science, physics, mathematical science, microbiology, Hindi and social work, for all these things for the assistant professor, master's degree. Apart with that one, UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be required. Okay. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.